In a situation when you want to connect two poles at 90 degrees, we've got a simple solution using a single cable tie. Now, quite often it might be a sculpture or a square set garland or a letter T. So the first step we do is we grab the zip tie, bring it underneath one of the poles. Now, the important part here is that we twist the zip tie as it goes over the top pole. Okay? And then twist it again so that the flat of the bar is exactly the same as our starting point. Connect it up. And as we pull it tight, it'll just naturally pull those two pieces at 90 degrees.